Scene script. Imagine this. A staggering 95% of ITIL4 Master Certified professionals report an increase in their job satisfaction. That's a statistic that's hard to ignore, isn't it? Now, if you're an IT professional, there's a good chance you've heard the term ITIL4 Master Certification. But what exactly is it, and what can it do for your career? The ITIL4 Master Certification is the highest level of certification offered by the ITIL framework. It's a globally recognized and respected qualification that demonstrates an advanced understanding of IT service management. But what does that mean for you? If you're a service desk analyst, the ITIL4 Master Certification can provide you with a deeper understanding of the service lifecycle. This can help you to streamline processes, improve customer satisfaction, and increase efficiency. Perhaps you're a project manager. The ITIL4 Master Certification can help you to better plan and execute your projects, ensuring you deliver on time and within budget. And if you're a CIO or IT director, the ITIL4 Master Certification can provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to align IT services with business strategy. This can lead to improved business performance and a greater return on investment. But the benefits don't stop there. The ITIL4 Master Certification can also increase your earning potential. On average, ITIL4 Master Certified professionals earn 20% more than their non-certified counterparts. And there's another benefit that's harder to quantify, but just as important. The ITIL4 Master Certification can give you a sense of achievement and confidence in your abilities. It can help you to stand out from the crowd and open up new opportunities. So in summary, the ITIL4 Master Certification is a highly respected qualification that can benefit IT professionals in a range of roles. It can help you to improve processes, align IT services with business strategy, and increase your earning potential. And perhaps most importantly, it can give you a sense of achievement and confidence in your abilities. That's a powerful combination, isn't it? So, if you're an IT professional looking to take your career to the next level, the ITIL4 Master Certification could be the key. It's not an easy journey, but with hard work and dedication, it's a journey that can lead to great things. And remember, 95% of ITIL4 Master Certified professionals report an increase in their job satisfaction. That's a statistic that speaks for itself. So, are you ready to join them? The ITIL4 Master Certification could be just what you need to unlock your full potential.